Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. And if you clicked on this video, you want to see some mats for my Shelby here, my GT350. Also, these mats will fit any Mustang of this generation here. This is a 2017 GT350, so the Shelby, and the mats I ordered from Lloyd Mats. So it says Lloyd Mats by Covercraft. I have heard about this brand. I've never had anything from them, so I ordered these, and let's see if they're good or not. And if they're good, yeah, I'll be happy. If they're not good, I always have my old mats right here that were in the Shelby, and we'll see. And just before we start, it is still snow outside, so the car is still in its winter sleep. So here's the packaging. Open it up. I already cut it. I'm gonna sit down. So let's see what we got here. This is the mat here. First glance, pretty good. I like the embroidered Shelby GT350 here. The snake that looks really good, and it looks like it's quality-wise pretty excellent too. Also, you can tell they take pride in their product because they put this little paper on here, and let's see what it says. It says the name of the mat cutter. It's Roberto. The product color. How many pieces are in here? 2. Mike worked on it, and Anselmo, Carla did the binding. Anyways, and Ruth cleaned it. All right, and then a note says ASP. So it's been inspected as well. And look at this. You can see here is an official licensed product. So these guys here are not just someone who sticks a logo on and makes some money with it. These guys here have the official license, and they prove it. They also have the tag here, and they have a safety warning and a customer satisfaction paper on it here. All good stuff. It looks like this is a good product. So what I'm going to do first is I'll cut these guys off, and then we'll check the quality and compare it with the old one. So just hang on 1 second and I'll be back, and we'll do this. All right, and I'm back here. So this is the mat that I just bought, and the choices are, when you buy them, see it has Lloyd Mats on there too. The choices are, you can choose the quality, and this is the lowest quality they have. I thought it was not good enough, but you know, I don't want a mat that's too thick in this car here. You know, with the pedals and driving and everything, I want a lower mat. So this is the thinner mat that they have, and it matches. See, the thickness matches the OEM. So that's why I took this one. But if you have a plush vehicle, they have better qualities too. It replicates the systems here to fasten the mats. So that is good. I like that, because a lot of aftermarket mats, they do not have that. You can choose the color of the, is that called binding here? Of the stitches too. So the blue and blue, because the blue car, I don't know if that was a good idea. We'll find out. And yeah, let's turn them around. Some rubber here, and a little more grippy on the Ford mat. You can see there's the original Ford mat. So a little more grippy on the Ford mat than on this one, but I think it will be fine. Yeah, this looks the same. It almost, yeah, it's identical. So did a good job there. How's the size? Should you put it on there? I don't know. You know, it's a little off, obviously. Looks like the Lloyd mat is a little bigger. I hope that doesn't bite me in the butt. Let's lay it on this side here. Okay, yeah, definitely is bigger. Well, now that's weird. Okay, see, this here fits perfectly on here. The side is good too. The top here is a little bigger on that one. Why? I am not sure, guys. I don't know. So we'll have to put it in and see if it fits and how it fits, and then we'll decide if this is a good mat. There's a warranty on it too. Yeah, it's a little stiffer than this. It's a little more flimsy, but you know, this shows some signs of wear. course, I shampooed them and I vacuum them a lot, but see, it does show signs of wear. It's okay. A mat I can always buy some Ford mats too if I don't like this. So I think it looks pretty. What do you think? Doesn't it look good? I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so let me get the car opened here. And I apologize, I haven't had time to vacuum it. Before, when I put it in here and when the winter started, I just give it a good cleaning outside so the cover doesn't scratch, but I didn't really vacuum and detail it inside. So we'll have to do a lot this year again. I have to do the Alcantara here, clean that again with the cleaner, and yeah, do a couple nice updates here. Okay, you lay it in here, and then this, how this works is you put it on and you push it down like this. See? Smooth. And then this side, this one as well. And I like that they do that. That's great. And yeah, well, it can't go anywhere. It's attached. What can I say? Look, it's a little taller than the other one. I don't think it's too tall though, because there's a lot of room here for the, see, the clutch goes back that way. There's a lot of room. The brake pedal, a lot of room here. So I think it's fine. It's just fine. So that's what it looks like. There you have it. Look at that. What do you think? I think it looks good. I think it stands out. It says Shelby on it. And yeah, I wish this here would say something different in Ford Performance. The first Shelbys, the 16 model, I believe, 50 and 16, they had a nice one with the specs of the engine in there. And then they went to the basic Ford Performance still there, but it's okay. So if I want to keep it original, I'll keep it this way. If I want to change it and keep this in the cabinet here, then I can do that too. I don't know, not a big deal to me right now. So then we have a second one for the passenger. Exactly the same, except for the passenger, they say it doesn't have to be attached. It can slide, which is kind of silly, but it's not Lloyd's fault. Ford has it that way as well. So there are no attachment points on there. I think they need to do that, but they don't. So but at least the passenger gets a nice snake as well. And yeah, who can't be happy about that? I'm happy. I think this looks excellent in there. Okay, guys. I don't need to showcase you how to put that on the other side. I can do that myself, and you can kind of figure it out by yourselves as well. What do you think? Is this a good buy or not? So all of you guys that drive a Mustang or have a Shelby, let me know what you think, and I hope the season starts soon and drive this fun car. That will be great. And if you want to know more about it, watch the videos. I have a couple videos about the sound of it. It sounds excellent and it drives just fantastic, so watch that. And most of you have not subscribed to my channel just yet, so do that. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the new videos about the Shelby or my other vehicles. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon on my channel. Thanks for watching.